What's up, guys? It's Samuel.
It's Lucas.
And today we're acting to Scorpions.
Rock You Like a Hurricane.
Let's do this thing. Dang, so first of all, that came out of the gate. Second of all, this music video is sick.
Yeah.
Bro, the freaking Panther, like the Jaguar, whatever that was.
Yeah.
Girls. Pretty cool video.
It's early morning, the sun comes out. There's light more shaking, breaking out. My kid is burning, it scratches my skin. So what is wrong with another sin? The bitch is hungry, she needs to tell. So give her inches and feed her well. For this is young, new places to go. I've got to leave it, time for the job. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. My body's burning.
So in this like atmosphere that they're in this music video, was this for something certain, or is this just the music video that they came up with?
Yeah, like, is it like a movie theme?
Yeah.
Or is there like something behind it? Or are they just creative?
Yeah, because it's really creative so far, and there's not much about a hurricane or anything.
And I gotta say, that dude, I don't know these band members, but his guitar is sick.
It's fire.
And the riff he's
y'all.
playing is sick.
Let us know about it.
His hair.
Don't talk to man. Don't talk to man.
Yeah, let's just continue.
Burning, it starts to shout. Desire's coming, it breaks out loud. Lost is the cages, and storm breaks loose. Just have to make it, we still wanna choose. The night is calling, I have to go. And Bobby's hungry, he runs the show. He's licking his lips, he's ready to win. On the hunt tonight for love and mercy. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Are you ready, baby? Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Rock you like a
That solo was tough, y'all.
Wow,
was tough.
dude. I want that guitar. That guitar is so
Yeah.
cool. That guitar is sick. Who is this guy? What's this guy's name? The guitarist.
Yeah,
Because he's freaking killing it. The riff,
Yeah.
sick. The solo, even sicker. Like,
Yeah,
oh,
I mean,
man,
this is
killing it.
fire song. Have any of you guys seen Scorpions live? Like, let us know because
Dude,
this
oh
sounds
my gosh.
so good,
They're
y'all.
crazy. They're
So
killing
good.
it.
early morning, the sun comes out. This night was shaking, really loud. The gate is burning, scratch my skin. So what is wrong with another sin? Night is calling, I have to go. And Bob is hungry, he runs the show. He's licking his lips, he's ready to win. On the hunt tonight for love and mercy. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane.
Sick song.
Sick song, sick music video, sick everything.
This is super dope. Were they? We've reacted to some Canadian bands. We got some Rush, some Triumph, British bands, Def Leppard. Were they American? Were they British? What were they?
Yeah,
Let us know. Let us know.
I'm sure you guys can answer the question yourself, but
It has to be asked. It's
Yeah.
tradition around
It
here,
is.
guys. Is it playlist worthy?
come on.
Of course, man. It's such a tough rock song.
It is.
So sick. The singer's voice is good. I mean, the guitarist stole the show. Let's
I
be
know.
honest.
It was great. I just want to go in my car right now, play the song.
I just want to
Just
fight an
hit
elderly person.
80.
Just,
So
take 'em out.
good. So good.
Yeah, really good song. Oh man. I mean, I'll ask you guys, comment if you think this song's playlist worthy. But if you say it's not playlist worthy, then
You may be wrong.
get your ears checked because something's not
Yeah.
right there. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our Patreon page in the description below. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.